Well, guys, these are the troublemakers what I was telling you guys about. My 3 trouble turkeys. Now you guys watch this. Watch this. Come here, man. Come here, man. Hey, man. Are you gonna go on the table? Hey, come here. Uh-uh. It's gonna be a fight. It's gonna be a fight. It's gonna be a fight. Whoa. Alright. Oh, there she is. Guys, the female turkey, she's sitting right there. That's the back of her tail. And right now, she's laying eggs. Wow. Wow. She's laying eggs, guys. She's right here. So I'm not gonna get very close right now because I don't want to startle her. But I'll give you guys an update on the eggs the next time, alright? Yeah, man. Oh. No, this now. This is a little nursery what I have here put together. Nothing too fancy. You're gonna stop. Stop the fighting. Stop. Yo, come down. Guys, I have about 3 baby turkeys. They're always somewhere around here. I'm gonna take a look. No, I don't want to get too close to the end here to swallow the female turkey. So I'm gonna head back this way, alright? So guys, as what you can see, the homestead need a little bit of cleaning up, and I'll surely get that done in a few. But guys, you can leave in the comments and tell me, should I separate these ducks? I'm thinking that the green-headed duck. Yeah, I'm thinking that green-headed duck would actually pair with the white female duck. And I wouldn't want that to happen because I guess it'll be like a crossbreed or something. I know that I wouldn't get a plain white duck, and I know that I wouldn't get back the breed of green ducks. So I guess I'm gonna have to get a female green duck also.